Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about trends, how to use them, and how to implement them in your swing trading. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, like, subscribe, and do what you guys do. And I appreciate every single one of you guys for hanging out with me today. So like and subscribe so you guys can hang out with me more. Also, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out my school, code YouTube, 20% off. I'll put it down below right in the description. It's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, quizzes, group chats. We have an 8-week course. It's absolutely awesome. Code YouTube, all caps, 20% off. So guys, let's jump into this here. So when it comes to swing trading and trend lines, there are 3 different types of trend lines you guys will see in the market. The first one is going to be an upward trend. The second one is going to be a downward trend. And the third one is going to be a flat trend. So let's actually show you guys one here and we can implement them in our swing trading here. So as we go ahead and we look at this chart here, you guys will notice that with this stock, as we zoom out, we have this really nice upward trend here. And as we go ahead and we draw out all the lows, because that's how you draw out a stock, is what you do is you click the trend line tool and you're looking for the lows. So you guys can see the dips here. So you're looking for a stock in pretty much all of these dips here. So as you draw them out, you can draw it out kind of like this here. Something along these lines here. So you guys can see it hits it several times here, getting buying pressure, and you can extend it up and you can move them depending on, the stock. So for me here, you guys can even see that something like this does look really nice. It hits it several times, showing you this really nice upward trend. So if the stock comes in contact with this trend line, we know there's a good chance of getting good buying pressure, because every single time, over the past year, it hits this line and it's gotten good buying pressure there, establishing this really nice upward trend. Now, as we look at it more in the short term here, as we zoom in a little bit, what do you guys notice about that trend line? It kind of disappears and it almost forms a new trend. And the thing about swing trading here and trading in the market is a lot of it comes down to the time frame. So as we zoom out, maybe you'll have a nice upward trend like I just showed you. As we zoom out more, what do you notice now? We have this huge downward trend. So just because a stock has a certain trend for that time frame doesn't mean it's going to be like that forever, right? Because you guys can see that it has had this really nice downward trend. As we look at it, kind of getting back to what I was saying here, as we look at it now, instead of the past year, let's look at it in the past 6 months. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's go ahead and do something along these lines here. So now looking at the trend, it's almost flat. So what I would do is, instead of drawing out the trend line, use a horizontal line and put it on the lows and see what happens here. So now looking at it here, you guys can see it hits this line in the short term each and every time, establishing good buying pressure. And then as far as resistance goes, I would put it somewhere in that range. So having a stock with a consolidated trend, and as we zoom out, this would be more of the long-term trend with the trend line like this here. So we can draw that out like such, something like that. And we can actually go ahead and we can, change some of the colors on it. So we can make it a little easier to see here. So we could do something like that with maybe a little, or we'll change the color to we'll change the color to like that. So now looking at it, it makes it a little easier to see. So we have a short-term consolidating, we have a long-term upward trend or a medium upward trend, but a super long-term downward trend. So you guys can start implementing strategies and trend lines just like this for your swing trading. So let me show you a recent swing trade that we are actually in here, and it has a really nice upward trend here, and this is ticker symbol MPL. LX. You guys can see we have this nice upward trend. Each and every time it hits this trend line, we get good buying pressure. So we hopped in, we took a nice trade, risking $1 to make $2.84, setting our stop loss a hair below that trend line. So if it does dip down, we'll just cut our losses. And this is an easy example of how you guys can start implementing trend lines in your swing trading. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And swing trading, guys, the biggest thing is just to start practicing and drawing on charts. So if you're just getting started, spend a day, 2 days, even every single week, just start practicing drawing on the chart. Start drawing out trend lines and lines that you look at and you think they're support, and look at and you think they're resistance. For me, it's finding stocks on the lowest and then stocks in the highest points. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. And I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and take care.